We have had eFORCE now, I think this September it goes on 22 years that our agency has had eFORCE, and I've worked in our department for 12 years, and it's been amazing the changes that have gone on. This is a company that hasn't been stagnant. They have truly tried to stay up on the new technology and work with the agencies to better help them facilitate their needs, and it's been great. I also am the librarian in the Gunnison Civic Library, and budgeting is hard. It's been very difficult lately, and you know, libraries kind of get pushed to the bottom because they're not, in terms of say mayors or councilmen, vital to the running of the city. But I beg to differ on that one, and so I contacted Corey and asked him if he wouldn't be willing to donate to the Gunnison Civic Library, and he was more than happy to, and I received a check within the week for money that I used to purchase books. And what was great was, yeah, I went to the CEO and I asked him for money, and ta-da, I got it. There it was. So that was really great. We aren't too small for him not to care.
We wanted something that was web-based, something that was not tied into the local network system. We wanted to be able to get access for either wherever we may be at. So if we at home or if we out on the road, we can be able to review the reports. To us, that's important. Can't speak for any other agency, but for us, that's important for us to be able, because a lot of time your networks goes down or your local network goes down, so you can still have access outside of your local network, which is great.
Initially, with the cost effectiveness for the products that you get, it's phenomenal compared to, you know, other agencies. But when we applied for a grant, and there were certain things that we were looking for, and the ability to access our records anywhere, anytime. Like my sheriff can go to Hawaii, get online and see what's going on, you know, with his department. If, you know, hopefully he wouldn't be doing that, but he has the flexibility to do that, which before we had this program, we didn't have that flexibility. And we went from, in our CAD, we went from paper, doing CAD on paper, to, you know, the latest, greatest technology, you know, which is really an awesome step for us. We sometimes have a tendency to focus just, you know, right here, and been trying to realize that, you know, that even I don't care if you're in Colorado or you're in Texas, that we all have a common goal, and that, you know, eFORCE is a key to bringing that all together.
We were looking for a web application, since we have 200 officers that are spread out through the 23 states. So we needed something that would be easy to bring up, that would work with multiple machines, that would not require a separate client. We were also looking for something that would meet our accreditation standards, and if we found that eFORCE offered, I think, the functionality that we were looking for. I will tell you that from the technology side, the application has worked very well. We've gone 5-6 months where there hasn't been a single hiccup or interruption at service. So one of the things on the technology side that makes eFORCE good is it's just a stable application that works. And when there are problems, it's usually just for a couple minutes, and they usually resolve very quickly.
I am so pleased with the overall product, and sitting in the conference and listening to the vision of what's coming. He's not telling us everything that's in the works. He's just giving us a little bit here, and that vision alone is huge. Mr. Bauer said something in his opening remarks, though, that really punched true for I think how eFORCE looks at their customers. He implanted the word partner in place of customer. And I truly feel like we're a partner. Even though I may not call headquarters, eFORCE headquarters, every day, maybe even once a quarter, twice a quarter if I have to, still, oh my goodness, we're treated as a partner. And that to me says everything about the leadership of eFORCE.